Hi, here's a little prototype I've been working on. It's a augmented reality birthday decoration app. You can see here the LiDAR meshing working in my lounge room. I've got a back-end service that's now loading the world information to merge it into the current scene. So it's persistent, so you can share it between sessions. And there you can see some of the assets spawning in. Just yesterday I got that nice shadowing, real-time shadow effect working. I'll show you here. This is the version before without the shadows, which was on my actual birthday with my kids. And then this is back to with today's version with the shadows enabled. You can see a few shaders going on there, a little bit of reflection probes, obviously the shadowing, a little bit of HDR sort of blooming and so forth. I am constantly surprised how powerful these mobile devices. This is on an iPad Pro. You can see the difference between the two versions. It's far more planted in the world with a bit of drop shadow there. See the accompanying blog post for a bit more technical detail on how I put the shader together in ShaderGraph. Cheers.